Hello everyone, on this video I will teach you guys how to make GSAP animations with BRX Builder, and it is very easy. I will first start teaching this some basics because this GSAP system works with my team. I made a video just recently. If you didn't watch that video yet, and I made a introduction video for this theme. There are tons of features, so you don't want to miss that. Go watch that video and then go back, watch this one. Okay, so with this system, GSAP animations, we can make all the basic animations or timeline animations or even pinned animations. Okay, so on this video I will focus on the basic animations first and show the parallax example. Okay, I think it should be enough for starting out. I will try to make other videos for other topics like more advanced or timeline stuff or pinned animations. So write in the comments like, what do you want to watch, what do you want to learn, what tutorial should I make next? Okay, please comment. So let's create a new page. First of all, of course, install the theme, download the latest, always download the latest, and be sure did I logged out? And be sure you enable the other from the theme settings. This comes default disabled, so you need to enable it, and then you have GSAP animation. Okay, let's go create a GSAP 3. I think I made a couple pages. Let's make this one 3. Edit the page. And then let's make first simple animation. Let's make a simple animation. Create some spacing, top, bottom. Let's add a big heading so we can see the animation. Let's make it pretty big and bold. Nice. Okay. So how is this animation works? By the way, there is a wiki if you want to learn all the stuff. You can see it on the wiki, but most of the time, honestly, you just need to learn this style start. If you know a little bit CSS, I would recommend using style start, style end, and with other options like ending, starting animation, ending animation markers. I will make a video about this advanced stuff later. Okay, that video will be probably longer. Okay, so let's make the simplest animation first. Data animate. And as soon as we write data animate, whatever, opacity 0, it will become 0 to 1. Let's see, and it will be scroll trigger. Refresh. And see, it is becoming slowly visible from opacity 0. And let's add markers true so we can see what we are doing. I allow to open this all the time. So on GSAP scroll animations, there is a start position, end position, and it is intuitive. Like it may look a little bit confusing on first sight, but it is pretty simple. Like when green touches green, it starts. When red touches red, it stops. Okay, that's it. Like that's it. That's the animation. It doesn't matter simple or complex, all of them works same. Okay, see? Before, like this, the moment touches green, animation will start. The moment touches red, animation will stop. That's it. So let's make this a little bit fun. Let's make the style. Let's add style. Okay, style start, color red. Let's make it same. Start white and style and color red. Oops. Okay, this needs to be, yeah. Okay, let's refresh. Now two animation will happen as soon as it touches. Let's see it real time. It is very intuitive seeing it with the inspector. See, both opacity and the color happening exactly same time. There is 2 or 3 way to make GSAP animations. One of them is serial animation. Actually, let me explain it visually because it is a visual thing. So the first one, most of the time we see this like that. That's how I make it. Like the opacity, let's say this one is opacity, this one is scale, and this one is color, okay? And all of them happening same time. Okay, all of them happening same time. This is the parallel one. And this is the timeline. One animation happening, actually let's delete it. One animation happening, and after that another animation happening, and after that another animation happening. So this needs to finish to this animation to start, and this animation to start, this needs to finish. Okay, this is the serial one. This is the second option with the GSAP animations. And the third one is pinned animation. So it can be both, like it can be parallel or it can be serial, but with pinned. So the animation gets pinned. Let's learn this first, and then I will show the pinned one, and then I will show the parallax, okay? So let's make this chained. So timeline. Instead of opacity happening with color same time, I will split it with the semicolon. And let's make another property, add another property. Let's make the scale 2. Yeah. Okay, let's see what will happen. Refresh. Let's first, by the way, check the, yeah. The first animation will start. See, only opacity changing. Check the values. Only opacity changing. Opacity will become oh yeah, when you use it with the timelines, the opacity acts a little bit different. So this is not really a bug, but keep it in mind. Let's make this like that. Start position opacity 0, and position opacity 1. Okay. Let's make it CSS values so it will act better. Nice. Okay. Let's select it so we can see the values. First, the opacity will animate. See, only opacity changing. And after that, the color starts to animate. And after that, scale will happen. Okay. I think this gives clear example how timeline animations work. Okay. So now we learned both of them. Now time to learn pinned. So for pinned, it is almost exactly same. We just need to add pin. True. That's it. Okay, so I made this main animations, like when I add markers, when I add pinned, I add it on the first animation block, like first section of the animation. Okay, so first timeline of the animation. When I make complex stuff, I do it like that. So keep it in mind, because I think we could add the markers later, but it may create bugs. Okay, so keep it clean like that. Let's save it. Let's see how the pin will work. So we will go down. Wait, let's select it. We will go down. Green will touch the green and the animation will start. And it is pinned, by the way, like it is not moving. I am moving the scroll because the animation didn't end. It has to play all the timeline animation to stop the pin. Okay. And it plays the scale and the red touches red. Boom. The pin stops. Okay. And this is the third option. I think these 3 basic elements with GSAP animations, scroll trigger animations are the most important ones. Of course, there are other options, but this is the most of the time you guys see when you visit like, oh, award website or something, like they make something fancy, but for no one, no company, no nothing. They just make it for the fun. Let's call it art. Okay, so when you see those websites, usually you see one of these three all the time. Okay, and let's make the parallax from the Marvel universe. Okay, so this parallax pretty easy. Let's see how it is working first. Let's understand it. See, when I move it, the background position changes. Okay, so we will just need to add a container, make a background image, add a background image, just like typical bricks stuff. Let's add a container, add a background. Let's make this one cats. Okay, and let's make this not cover, custom, bigger, and we can make the position custom as well. I'm just gonna leave it custom. We will animate it, so we don't need to give any value. Actually, we can even maybe delete it completely. I think I made it something like that on the first one. I will check it if I fail. Let's see. Let's make the height a little bit big. When you are making parallax, I mean, don't make something like that. Like, it's so weird. Make the height bigger so it looks better. Okay. And then we will add the animation data, animate, and then style, start, background, position. I think it was like that. And then center 100 pixels. Let's copy. Let's make this negative. Let's make this and easy. Let's see. Oh, it does work. First time. But the position is off. How did I make the position on this one? I think I just need to give more value. Is that it? Yeah, I just need to give more value. I made the position. Yeah. We need to move the cats a little bit higher and maybe make the image a little bit smaller. Let's make this 600 and let's make the image a little bit smaller. Maybe this one bigger than the other. I don't know. Yes, perfect. Okay, so it works amazing. I'm gonna make this -2. It is just value, like GSAP animations, scroll animations, always fine-tuning. Animations always takes time, and you just need to fine-tune the values, actually. That's it, literally. Simple stuff. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you guys want me to teach other stuff, I mean, I already have some plans to which tutorials should I make in order, but maybe some cool ideas you guys have or need something, please do comment, like the video. And if you watched it at this point, honestly, just subscribe. You don't want to miss the next videos. See you guys on the next one. Bye.